Meet the Wyze Bulb Color, an ultra-bright Wi-Fi smart bulb with 16 million colors, voice control, and easy app automation to match any mood. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Bulb Color, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Plug and pair. Getting started is simple. Screw the Wyze Bulb Color into a compatible light socket and switch the power on. Download the Wyze app on your Android or iPhone, then sign in or create an account. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. In the app, tap the plus icon, choose bulbs, and follow the on-screen instructions to pair the bulb. Once connected, you can control brightness, choose from millions of colors, create schedules, and use Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free voice control. Smart features? Bring your music to life with Music Sync. The Wyze Bulb Color reacts to the beat in real time, creating vibrant lighting effects that make parties, gaming, and movie nights even more immersive. Switch your lighting in seconds with custom scenes. Save your favorite color and brightness settings, then activate the perfect mood for any moment with a single tap. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to get your Wyze Bulb Color. See you in the next one.